Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share the full motion pack of the CMU motions for your iClone 8 3D animation software and also the CC4 Character Creator 4. Totally about 2,548 mockup, already converted into the full motion pack of the iClone motion files for your iClone 8. So I can let you see. You can just scroll down, go to my video descriptions. You can find a link, download the CMU Mockup Full Motion Pack. This is a zip file. Once you download it, you have to extract into the folder. And now you can see, totally it is about 2,548 motion file. The first one is an iAvatar that I used to convert it. This one do not count into that. And the rest all are the iClone motion file. They're ready for you to use in your iClone 8. So start from now, I'm going to just make some demo. I'm going to open the iClone 8 to test it, and I will show you how to use that. I'm going to open the iClone 8, and here I have to wait for a while for the iClone 8 to load. Alright, my iClone 8 already finished loaded. I'm going to close this, and I will just choose a random avatar from my iClone 8 template. It's here. I click here, actor, character, for example, the actor core avatar, this girl. I drag out this lady and just to test a few of the CMU motion files that converted for you. Alright, in this folder, you can see all of the mockup file, all of the iClone motion file already named properly. You can choose it. You can choose it easily. You can sort it. For example, run and jog, walk slowly. The chicken dance, for example, I just drag in and apply on that avatar. You play, you can see any of the avatar that you can apply. The chicken dance. Right, let's try another one. For example, the alternating squats. Right, it's okay. We test some more. For example, the soccer kickball. Is that already applied? Just drag in to apply, play, kickball. Right, now all of this mockup file already converted into iClone motion file that you can use it anytime and anywhere that you want for any avatar. Boxing, for example, I apply the boxing retarget motion. It will automatic retarget on any avatar play. Alright, now that's all for today about my sharing of the full motion pack of the CMU mockup. Those about 2,548 iClone motion file for you. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you love my sharing as well, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy animation and game developing. See you!